Hi, I'm Esper.
And I'm Lizzie.
And we're visiting from SUNY Broome.
Hi, my name is Braden Potter. I'm coming from Hudson Valley Community College.
Hi, my name is Josh Vasili. I'm from Mohawk Valley Community College.
Hi, I'm Imani. I study psychology at SUNY Schenectady.
I'm Adam from Hudson Valley Community College.
I'm Tessa Romer. I'm a childhood education major, currently bridging through MVCC, and I'm visiting SUNY Oneonta.
Studying computer science, and I'm visiting SUNY Oneonta.
Looking to transfer to do my business administration degree.
Everyone was really nice and welcoming, helped us find where we need to go.
One of the classes kind of sold me. It was a cognitive psychology class, which I'm super excited to learn more about that.
For me, the most important things is affordability, a good college environment, and good professors.
Pretty impressive, yeah. I like what I saw. I saw you guys have a track. I like to do a lot of running and so on, so it was pretty interesting.
We decided that somewhere with a better community would fit me better, where it's more supportive and there's more things to do.
Oneonta worked with me a lot about transferring my credits over, making sure that everything was going to go really smoothly.
I've explored a lot of colleges, and it seems like Oneonta really has a great opportunity as far as academic advisement, and I really liked the opportunities that Oneonta showed.